Hey, today we're going to take a look at these 2012 TMNT knockoffs I just got off Aliexpress for $10. Start with Mikey. So he has two orange nunchucks. Those are alright. They all come slightly deformed. His mask is barely painted, like a pale, yellow. Yeah, the chest is a hard plastic, not like the original ones, is a softer plastic. And I thought that these were going to be exactly the same as the ones I got a couple years ago off Amazon, had double the price. But this chest material at least seems it's a better plastic than that one was. The shell looks good, and the belts are good too. The other ones were really cheap, and after a couple weeks they started to ooze, not in a good way that'll make you a mutant turtle. It was just like an oily residue on them. They were gross, and they're missing some paint on the inside here. So I don't have a full Michelangelo from those original 2012 turtles. I just have a head because I used the body with the Donatello head to make Lita from the future, but I mean from the past comic book, but she's from the future. Yeah, Donatello. The bow staff is not great, but it's pretty much the one that he came with. Got better color on his mask. Mikey is pretty neon green, but Donnie is a lot closer to the original Donnie. It's got a long neck. Oh, they don't twist at the wrist. Do these guys? Yeah, these guys do. This guy doesn't. So that's one difference. One more difference. And their legs are one's longer than the other. The size are nice. They're like a silver. The original one just came with a dark gray. So those are really nice. His belt is loose. It's not going to stay on. I'll have to glue that, but I'm going to customize these guys anyway. He looks pretty good. His mask is really dark, but I like that dark mask, but his eyes aren't really white enough. Head looks maybe a little smaller. Face looks angrier, maybe just because the mask is so dark. But yeah, I like Raph. He's a little skinnier. Oh, he's got a lot of movement in his head. That's pretty good. But again, no wrist. And the legs, one is a tree trunk and the other is a leg. Yeah, they're all kind of about to do an Elvis dance move, it looks like. Swords look great. I like the shiny silver. His ankle wraps are yellow, but I guess from all the sludge in the sewers and ankle sweat, they get a lot dirtier than the wrist wraps, which are white. His mask is a lighter blue, but that's a nice blue. That's like the blue of the original 87. Again, the long neck. Skinnier head. Yes, slightly skinnier body. Mikey and Mikey. Leo and Leo. Donnie and Donnie. See, Donnie should be a little taller. So Mikey's still the shortest, but Donnie's the second shortest in these guys. And then Raph and Leo are the same height. But it's hard to tell because they all have a weird leg. So they're not great if you're a collector and you want to collect some 2012 turtles. Probably don't get these, even though they were only 10 bucks. I think they're regular, I'll put a link, but they were 15 Canadian, but they were deals going on. So I got them for 10, and US 15 Canadian is only 11, so it's almost 10. But with the last knockoff ones I got off Amazon, I made the IDW turtles. So I guess I'm just showing this is what's possible total overhaul, but you can see what I meant. This chest is bigger and harder, and I made the belt out of an old shoe. That's Donnie, and that's this Donnie. See, he's shorter still than this guy even. And then Raph and Raph. So these guys, the new ones, I think I'm gonna have to do the Samurai turtles from the 2012 series, because that's the only set I think I haven't done yet, and that's gonna be a tough one, and I have a lot of stuff I need to get to first. So until next time, thanks for watching, and remember, always keep your head up. Peace.